girl, how are you? Do you like smoothie? Today, Miss Lynn will teach you how to make strawberry smoothie. That's one of my favorites and healthy smoothie. So now, let's get cooking.
Children, remember wash your hand properly before cooking.
Children, remember when you're cooking, don't lick your hand like that. Ew. What we need: a blender, strawberry, yogurt.
Children, how many yogurt? Can you show me your finger?
A glass of milk, honey, and cheeses. Oh, the eye like frozen. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Here, strawberry. First, you need to cut the top like this and cut it into the top like this. We need 20 strawberries, so can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well done, children!
And we add a half glass of milk. We add the yogurt. Okay, put the yogurt here. If you like a lot of yogurt, you can add more yogurt. I really like yogurt, so here the cheeses. So I put 2 spoons of cheeses here. Okay. And honey. There's a little eye. Put the eye on this, but no cover here. The eye like frozen will go everywhere. So we need to, what's this? Can you say with me? Is a flick. Is a flick. Can you use this flick and put it here like this? So now, we ready to turn it on. Like tornado. Can you see it? So now we can enjoy our smoothie. Let's open the lid. Pour it. Cut like this. Oh, can you say that? Both are best. That means enjoy it. Wow, this looks yummy. Let's see how it tastes. So good.
So yummy in my tummy. Can you say with me? Yummy in my tummy.
Here, meet you and see you soon. Bye bye.